Shaman I bring I tell you love. I love from above.
Look at you. But, come on now, bro. You supposed to have been down. Oh, die. Look, that's what you did. But I been punched you in your face. You gotta get back. That's why you died with me. Man, grab it. Just because I want to. That's payback, bro. You too, man. Brad, you scared? He died. Oh no, I gotta play it. I do too. You know how to get up here? Okay, now. Look at him. He died. Okay. But why you gotta crouch and do that? Why did you have to crouch and do that? Boy, look like Rift Ball. Betrayal. Taken. Because I wanted to. Betrayal. Bomb. Yeah. He done. That's the bomb. Betrayed. Man, sadly, don't make me have to claim you again, man. You don't make me have to claim you again, man. Betrayal. Betrayed. I got him. Betrayed. Alright, I see you. Oh, you had to keep doing that, but come on, I'll play. Hey, but you gonna get. My son in Ohio about to get out playing season, man. Dude, man, how is it that you want to eat salad, but you can't afford salad? What's wrong with you, man? Well, everybody in this life know you too broke to afford anything in general. You can't even go down to the dollar store and afford nothing. But Actually, you gotta go to the front. And how much is this? Like 3, man. Come on, now you gotta go to the front. What's up, man? Bruh, you gave all your money away. Like, oh. But not only is your game tag messed up, but your hairline messed up as well. Well, bro, it look like somebody drew a Mexican board on your hair, man. Oh, that was wrong too, man.
1 minute remaining.
Come on now, man. Come on now, bro. You got breadsticks, my arm so fast up, man. How you gonna have a messed up hairline, be broke, and yet you still got an Xbox? He spent all his money on an Xbox that he got from the drip shop. I don't you, man. Either you got that Xbox from the drip shop, or you just got it from the trash, or somebody just sold you, man. Come on, Joe Burks up. You like a hobo. You like a hobo, bruh. Come on now, bruh. You listen to gay people talk.
10 seconds remaining.
Boy, you need deodorant too. Not only for your armpits, but for your mouth, man. Your breath smell musty. Come on now, man. You smell like, I don't know, you smell like death just farted, man. Come on now. This one ain't even moving.
Betrayed.
She's still not moving. I settled Ohio, you next, bro. Can you even get to Ohio? Do you even know what Ohio is? Do you even know? Look, he probably gonna say, is it a country? Boy. You don't even know what Ohio is, and yet you have it, bro. What does REC mean? Oh wait, record. But you don't have nothing to record with. Huh. Exactly my point, bro. Come on now, bro. Both of y'all like dirty dad sons, bro. But the other one is just more cleaner than the other, even though he's dirty. You like, I'm dirty dad's son. I'm dirty dad's son. You don't know you dirty dad's son. You sleep in a closet. You don't have no bed neither, bro. You sleep in a closet. Right, you sleep in a closet with your boy. But the other one just sleep in the tub. Cause guess what? Y'all may have a tub, but guess what? The water don't even run with y'all. With your broke up, man. Come on now.
It's real nasty.
I know it's hell on real nasty.
No, it is.
Real hell ultra nasty. When you trying to put your hat, you try to put your hands up. You can't even put your hands up less than 1 inch.
Yeah. Why the hell he was here?
Right. Oh wait, he's still here. Right, you better leave with your boy hands up. Look, he left in general.